Today, I'm going to show you how to create Madame Puddifoot's Espresso Your Love mug cakes that come together magically fast. The things we will need to create our coffee mousse is 1/3 cup of ice cold water. I had ice in this and then I strained it out, made sure it was still at 1/3 cup, but you want to make sure that it is ice cold. Then we're going to need a 1/2 cup of sugar, and we are going to need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and I am using the Nescafe Classico instant coffee, but any instant coffee should work. We're also going to need a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and a piping bag to put it onto our cakes, as well as our mixer with the whisk attachment. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my sugar and I'm going to put it in with my water, and I'm going to stir that up so that it kind of helps dissolve it a little bit, because I find that your mousse can get a grainy texture if you just throw everything in and start to mix it up. When we take the sugar and dissolve it a little bit in the water, I feel like it gives a better overall consistency. Okay, so at this point, all I'm going to do is take my sugar water mixture and pour it in. And then just make sure all of it actually gets in there. And then I'm going to add my coffee crystals. Close this up. And I'm going to put it on high for about 3 minutes. Okay, so I ended up going a little bit longer, so this has been about 4.5 minutes. I wanted to make sure I got the right consistency. And as you can see, we get nice stiff peaks. It's got a moussey texture to it. And we get this really great coffee flavor. And now all I'm going to do is take my magic coffee mousse and I'm going to put it into my piping bag. So the beautiful thing about this is it's 3 ingredients. It comes together super quick and you get really great flavor. If you like coffee, you will love this. If you don't like coffee, you could definitely substitute this for just regular whipped cream. And as you can see, I have filled my piping bag. And I still have plenty left over. So the beautiful part about this is even though it's 3 ingredients, it will keep its nice stiff consistency for a good couple days in the fridge. So you can kind of use this on top of coffee or desserts or anything you'd like for up to a couple days. The things we will need to create our microwave mug cakes are 2 microwave safe mugs, a whisk for mixing, a 1/4 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We will need a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and then we will need 2 tablespoons of melted butter in a larger bowl, and we will need another bowl to mix our dry ingredients in first. Then we will use some of these edible accent hearts for embellishment, as well as some soft-centered truffles, and I'm using the Lindor Lindt truffles. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our smaller bowl and our dry ingredients and we're going to whisk them together to combine. And then we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients into the larger bowl, and then we're going to combine the two together. now all I'm going to do is divide my batter between the 2 mugs. Okay, so now that these are basically even, I'm going to go ahead and take my truffles, and you can choose whatever kind of truffle you'd like. If you want it to be white chocolate, dark chocolate, this is just a milk chocolate. And all I'm going to do is push it into the center of my mug. And then I'm going to do the same thing with a white chocolate truffle. I'm going to pop these into the microwave one at a time for 1 minute each. And when it comes out of the microwave, we have this super moist cake. So now we have our 2 microwave cakes that came out, and they are super moist and fluffy. We're going to let them sit for about 2 minutes and cool off just a little bit, and then we're going to add our coffee mousse that we made to the top. Okay, so now that our cakes have cooled for just a couple minutes, it looks like Madame Puddifoot might have placed them on our table, and I'm going to take my piping bag with my mousse, and we are just going to add a really great layer of our luscious coffee mousse. A trip to Madame Puddifoot's on Valentine's Day would be incomplete without the little gold cupids showering confetti all over our coffee drinks. Now, I was inspired to make this dessert because I received a letter from Madame Puddifoot. And this came to my P.O. box, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what she has sent me. So this came from one of you guys. And looks like there's a little bit of glitter in there. Oh, how cute. You are cordially invited to a tea tasting at Madame Puddifoot's tea shop. Admit 1, must have to enter. Oh my God, that's so cute. So thank you to whoever sent that to me in my P.O. box. That is adorable. And I love the little heart on there. Oh, and there's 2 of them. So we have one for each of us to attend. That is awesome. And I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but there's definitely some of the Cupid's glitter in the bottom of the letter as well. Super cute. So thank you to whoever Madame Puddifoot is who sent that to me. I love them. They are adorable. I will definitely be hanging these up for Valentine's Day. And there you have it, our Madame Puddifoot's Espresso Your Love mug cakes. Perfect for a date night or just for yourself. These come together magically fast and they taste amazing. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.